the top 10 foods to clean and regenerate a fatty liver. Your liver is constantly cleaning your blood, making hormones, and breaking down toxins from the environment. Unfortunately, over 1 in 3 people suffer from fatty liver disease. This is where fat starts to build up inside the organ, and this puts a strain on the overall systems of the body. For example, a fatty liver can cause problems like high blood pressure, hormonal imbalances, weight gain around the belly, diabetes, itchy skin, bloating, and a weakened immune system, to name a few. In my previous video, we explained the 9 foods that damage the liver and cause fat to build up inside. Today, however, we'll be exploring the top 10 foods that can help to clean out the liver and also help it to regenerate and heal itself. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Food group number 1 is Allium Vegetables. One of the absolute best types of food to clean out fat from the liver is Allium Vegetables, including garlic, onions, shallots, chives, leeks, and scallions. Start cooking with these alliums in your stir fries and soups, and try eating some of them raw in a daily salad to help clean out your liver and remove harmful toxins from the blood. Alliums are rich in sulfur compounds, which gives them that pungent flavour and smell when you slice them or cook them. This sulfur helps your liver to produce bile. That's the soap or the detergent liquid that breaks down fat and toxins in your body through phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification. Boosting your bile by eating these helps to dissolve caffeine, alcohol, pesticides, plastics, drugs, and other inflammatory poisons from your blood, and it turns them into harmless particles that are then released through your stool or your urine. Food number 2 is very important, and it's eggs. If you want to reduce inflammation and fat inside your liver, consider eating at least 2 pasture-raised eggs every single day. Eggs are one of the richest natural sources of choline, a nutrient that strengthens the membranes around your liver cells and improves liver function. Choline is absolutely essential for building bile in the liver and also building acetylcholine, which supports healthy digestion and brain function. I recommend that you cook your eggs sunny side up or soft boil to protect the delicate nutrients that are stored within the yolk. Many people consume these protein powders and protein bars, which have been shown to cause inflammation in the liver because they're very difficult to digest and process. Eggs, on the other hand, contain all 9 essential amino acids, which the liver can easily process in order to build new proteins in the body, like muscle and bone. If you're finding this information helpful at all, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with the latest health information. Moving on to number 3, which is cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables in the cruciferous family are loaded with minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that help to support the liver in various ways. If you want to clean fat out of your liver, it's essential that you start adding some of these into your daily rotation. I recommend eating broccoli, cauliflower, radishes, mustard greens, beets, arugula, Swiss chard, kale, collard greens, cabbage, and there are many more if you do a quick search for them. The plant chemicals within these foods help your liver to produce glutathione. That's the master antioxidant that can help your liver cells to completely heal and regenerate, and also to prevent further damage to your cells and DNA. Food number 4 is microgreens. Microgreens are 2 to 3 day old sprouted seeds like cress, broccoli sprouts, and arugula sprouts. These are hands down some of the most powerful anti-cancer foods on the planet, as they contain up to 100 times more sulforaphane than the fully grown vegetables, and this can help your liver to detoxify cancer-causing compounds like tobacco smoke, alcohol, and herbicides that are found in some of our foods. Microgreens are also rich in an enzyme called myrosinase, which helps your body to absorb vitamin C and sulforaphane. So I recommend that you start growing these at home using an inexpensive sprouting kit, and you can use the seeds of any cruciferous vegetables, especially broccoli and radish seeds, which seem to be the best. Sprinkle some of these sprouts over your salads and especially over your cooked vegetables, as this will help your body to absorb more of the liver cleansing nutrients that you need. Up next are some herbs and spices. There are also many potent phytochemicals that are found in healing herbs and spices which can help to improve the function of the liver. Freeze-dried milk thistle, for example, can improve bile production to remove fat from the liver. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin which reduces inflammation and oxidative stress within the liver cells. You can also try rosemary, which contains rosmarinic acid, an antioxidant that protects the liver against toxins and poisonous foods. Fennel contains anethole, which helps to thin out the bile to prevent liver or gallbladder stones from blocking the ducts inside. You also have cinnamon, which is very powerful for lowering blood sugars and protecting the liver from getting clogged up with fat in the first place. Dandelion flowers or roots can improve bile production to break down toxins and fat. And moringa powder is a nutrient-dense herb with many antioxidants that can bind to heavy metals and detoxify them through the liver. Now for number 6, we have green or peppermint tea. In order for your liver to filter your blood properly, it's very important that the blood doesn't become too thick. So to hydrate your liver, start drinking at least 1 liter of mineral water each day to keep the blood flowing through it properly. You may also consider drinking 1 or 2 cups of peppermint tea each day, preferably in the morning. This drink contains menthol, which relaxes the muscles in the bile ducts and the gallbladder. This can keep your bile flowing so that you can absorb vitamins and also to detoxify harmful substances from your body. Green tea is another very powerful drink that contains catechins which can lower inflammation in the liver to keep everything working as it should. And now food number 7 is berries. Unfortunately, over 80% of the packaged junk foods contain high fructose corn syrup. This is a concentrated fruit sugar which can cause fat to accumulate inside the liver, causing liver disease. However, the fruit sugar in berries is easier to digest because these berries also provide vitamin C and other phytochemicals that help your liver to digest and process the sugar. So if you're trying to reverse fatty liver disease, cut out the refined foods and the sweet fruits and start eating 1 cup of berries each day to satisfy your sweet cravings instead, such as blackberries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries and gooseberries. Why not try mashing a few of them up in a glass of water and adding some stevia drops for a tasty drink to replace those very damaging sodas? And next up is sauerkraut and kimchi. Another great way to clean out the liver is by eating a serving of fermented cabbage 3 times per week from unpasteurized sauerkraut or kimchi. These fermented vegetables are some of the richest sources of vitamin C on the planet, and they also contain live probiotic bacteria that can colonize your gut. The vitamin C boosts glutathione in the liver, whilst their probiotics help your body to recycle bile, which prevents constipation and helps to keep your colon clear of toxins. Last but one on the list is healthy fats. Many of the liver cleansing nutrients that I've talked about in this video are fat soluble. This means that they require bile in order to absorb them. This is why it's very important that you include some healthy fats with your cooked vegetables and salads, like extra virgin olive oil, avocados, or grass-fed butter. These fats can stimulate the release of bile from your liver and gallbladder, which help you to absorb liver-cleansing phytonutrients from your food. So drizzle some of these over your salad, or maybe make a tasty guacamole from avocados, onions and limes to keep your liver very happy. Now, section 10 contains some other foods that can help to clean out your liver that you may want to do some extra research on in your own time. So we have asparagus and celery, which both contain luteolin that can reduce fat and scar tissue in the liver. Mushrooms contain glutathione, the master antioxidant. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which are very good for the liver, especially when they're cooked. Lemons and limes contain citrates, which supports detoxification. Capers contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant. Pomegranate seeds contain ellagic acid, which is good. And carrots contain beta-carotene, which can improve immune function. One of the fastest ways to actually clean out your liver is by fasting and eating your food in a smaller window of time each day, for example between the hours of 12 to 6 p.m. Fasting like this stimulates regeneration, helping to remove fat and scar tissue in the liver by recycling the old proteins. I also recommend that you eat non-GMO organic vegetables, as these tend not to be sprayed with harmful pesticides and chemicals that could potentially harm your liver. Cutting out sugar in vegetable oils is also essential to take the strain off the liver and give it the opportunity that it needs to heal. There are also many toxic ingredients in modern foods that may be damaging your liver and preventing it from healing. If you'd like to learn about what these are so that you can cut them out, go ahead and tap on this video that's on your screen now. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.